Bodega Boys.
And it's back here in Yankee Stadium. It's not looking good for the Yanks. They're down.
You hate to see this. The bases are loaded.
Yeah.
Bottom of the ninth. Tie game.
Chad Green is in there. He's struggling.
Oh. Green just grabbed his elbow. He is down.
Oh, my God.
He is down. There's no one in the bullpen that could possibly pitch for. Whoa. Okay, Aaron Boone's coming out.
The pitcher coach is on the phone.
Boone's coming out. He's walking past the mountain. He's walking to the bleachers.
What?
I heard they did this once in 1973, back when you could do cocaine in the stands.
That's right, yeah.
Okay, wow. Wow, apparently they are pulling somebody from the stands. He's going to pitch.
He has a Mark Teixeira t-shirt.
Can someone give me some information on this guy?
Let's look him up.
Okay, his name apparently. You know what? We're going down to the field. We have a microphone right down there. We're just going to interview him.
Right, we're going to go with Ken Rosenthal. Ken?
Excuse me.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, bro? What's your name?
Michael Sal Anthony Prosciutto II.
Okay,
Junior.
Are you a pitcher?
I mean, I've been known to pitch or catch depending on, how badly I needed a hot bag,
Okay, apparently you're pitching right now for the Yankees in the playoffs. Are you nervous?
No, I'm cool, bro. Like, do I get like you gonna give me like a little something, like a little taste something after? Like,
You get a taste of winning.
Yeah, winning. Oh, that's yeah. Oh, so you're not a cop. All right, cool. Yeah.
Are you comfortable working with Dominicans?
Yeah, I work with Dominicans all the time. My best friend is a guy named Julio. He's a great guy. He always comes through for me, I'm always looking for him, but he always appears at the right time.
Okay, what kind of pitches do you throw?
Well, I throw a break-in, a cutter. I throw a knuckle tie off. I throw an opioid, which is kind of like an E-fish pitch, but it's like more like slower. And it takes a long time to go over the plate, and it just kind of leans over in the strike zone,
All right, you're allowed 3 pitches to get right ready for the. Is that gonna be enough?
I'm already right, bro.
Okay.
I'm already right, bro. You caught me nodding off in the fucking bleachers, bro. I'm ready to go.
All right, go in there. Go get him.
Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, let's go, Yankees. All right, pal.
All right, Michael Anthony steps to the mound. He throws his first pitch.
Oh!
Wow! The game is over. He is throwing a grand slam walk-off. Wow!
Unbelievable!
They are yelling at Michael Anthony.
Wow.
They are booing him.
Fuck you, asshole!
Get off the field, you fiend!
I didn't even ask to be here.
Wow!
You gonna yell at me? We're from the same borough.
You hate to see
We're all
this.
from Staten Island. You guys are really gonna fucking degrade me in our great city? Huh?
Fuck you!
You fucking jerk.
Go overdose.
No, fuck you. Yeah, I am going to overdose on the 4 train, and I'm going to be the sick passenger as again to get all you motherfuckers late to Connecticut. Fuck you.
Hate to see this. The Yankees have been eliminated thanks to a dope fiend pitcher.
Yeah. You know what? Fuck all you guys. Do the fucking drop, bro. This is episode 176. You know what I mean? It's episode, actually, it's 175.
Boo.
Fuck you. Yeah,
Boo.
You know what? I'm sick, bro.
Boo.
My fucking guts hurt, bro. You're lucky my mother's not here, or else I would call her and you a cunt.
On the Yes Network, we're going to discuss, was Michael Anthony high while throwing that? Anyway, we'll do the drop.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
You have the little music at the end, like.
Yo, episode 175.
Yeah.
Not episode 176, like Michael Anthony said.
Yeah, well, you can't depend on a dope fiend.
Can't depend on a dope fiend.
To keep time.
That was a popular song in like 95. Can't depend on a dope fiend. It's like R&B and shit.
It's like Houdini.
It's like Heavy D.
Can't depend on a dope fiend.
He's like dancing around. Doom, 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 doom. No one ever did a song like My Girl's a Dope Fiend, but I Still Love Her.
True.
Yeah.
I feel like DMX came close.
I think DMX was more like, I'm a dope fiend, but my girl still loves me.
Still loves me.
Difference.
Yeah,
Big difference.
Yeah, it was reversed.
There's a big difference between taking money out her purse or her walking the streets and sucking dick at night. These things can happen. It could be either or. Problematic light is not working. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the problematic lights. I need you to please return to your non-canceling positions.
Yes. Please keep all arms and limbs within the cancellation sector.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Do not want to step outside that realm.
Well, you know, it's not looking good for the Yankees. As we record this, they are down 3-1 in the ALCS.
Yeah,
We'd like to give a big shout out to all the people who DM me and they're like, yo, your Yankees lost. And I was like, I don't know you.
I don't fucking know you.
Why are you communicating to me about sports? We're not friends. I don't know you. Shouldn't you be sending this to the group text? Or do you not have a group text? Oh, wow. Oh, you're in an imaginary group text with me.
Oh,
Wow. That's a violation. You do not have my consent to communicate with me.
Yo, respect our agency, yo.
Okay?
Respect our agency. I don't want to see these DMs in my Instagram with 20 people and fucking, I don't know any of them, and they're all talking about us.
Okay,
like,
that's a different thing. I like to sit in those.
And sit and watch?
And just watch.
And it just says like, yo, the Kid Mero scene. And they're like, yo, you in here, yo, and you start freaking out.
You gotta do that every now and then. Or just like every now and then just hop in the group chat and just threaten somebody.
Like, y'all kill you, nigga.
Exactly. And then they'll screenshot and you'll be like, why would I be in a group chat with these people? This is Photoshop.
I don't know them.
And then it goes on Bodega Boys Reddit and then somebody's like, well, I've actually opened it. And I looked at the pixels and they're shifted to the left, so they go, this is fake.
This is fake.
I'm like, all right, cool.
This is fake.
Thank you.
It's on Snopes.
Thank you.
Snopes just proved it.
Snopes just proved it.
Yo.
You know, sometimes you be wilding. You know who really be wilding?
Yeah!
Somebody suck that baby's dick!
Yeah!
Somebody suck that baby's dick!
All right. For those of you guys who don't know, that was illustrious thespian Cuba Gooding Jr.
Star of notable films such as Snow Dogs and Radio and
Boys in the Hood.
And Boys in the Hood.
He'll always be remembered for Boys in the Hood. Boys in the Hood put him right here.
Yeah.
Snow Dogs was like, damn, nigga.
Damn.
I got car payments.
Straight to VHS, my nigga. Goddamn.
Snow Dogs. We laugh and we mock. And then our coon asses will be in Snow Dogs too.
Will Cuba.
Oh my God, these are dogs.
You gotta suck that dog's dick.
Oh my
Somebody
God.
suck that dog's dick.
Oh my God, Mero, how we get all these dogs to Jamaica, man?
Oh, Papi, I don't know, son. I think we have to suck a dick.
Oh no, this is not Irie.
No.
One dog, one love. Everyone's like, wow. Hey.
Perrito. Hey. Dogs all cooked up and shit. Like, yo, wearing blazers.
Everyone's like, did the Bodega Boys sell out? I'm getting mad defense on Twitter. Like, we did not sell out.
We sold out.
We're still authentic.
That's right.
Okay? Please go see Snow Dogs too.
You think we don't got sled dogs in the Bronx?
Also, the people in Hong Kong are wrong. Please see our movie in China. Yo, you know what? Let's give LeBron some credit here.
Okay.
Because everyone's like, yo, he's whack for not like, listen.
Son.
LeBron got kids.
And China's different.
China's
the only place that, like, every other, like, government or whatever, it's like if somebody gets murked, it's like, yo, they got murked. This person got murked in Ukraine or whatever country.
Right.
China's the only country where you hear motherfuckers get disappeared. Mm-hmm. I was like, I'm not trying to get disappeared.
Yeah,
I'm sure LeBron's not trying to get disappeared.
It's just not in the news no more. Imagine you get disappeared. You like in some cave somewhere like, nigga, I know I'm trending. I know niggas got that hashtag for me every day.
You just sit on a black site like, yo, damn.
I know Sean King got that GoFundMe for me.
That he's about to take a ski trip with. Sean King and the Sex Boogie Sea trip with your money, nigga.
Jesus.
This is a Big Dog Sex Boogie. I'm over here with Sean King. Yo, Sean, you want to give any shout outs?
Yo, Mero, chill, you wallet. Yo, Bae just got me out of bed. She said you guys are doing a lot. She said that you guys are trying to strategically take pictures with Peckers so you could go to the Rock Nation brunch. We up on that. Yo, shout out to Peckers. Who we was hanging with.
Again. It's not even strategic. That nigga
we are at the Rock Nation brunch.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, I listen. I bought my suit already.
Yo.
I bought it off the rack. It's not like tailored or nothing. I still got the lapel. Still got the tag on it. So, listen, it's the best suit you could get on 125th Street.
That's right.
Okay?
Portobello men's. Okay. You know what I'm saying? I'm 4.
1 button, 2 button, 3 button, 4.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
More the merrier.
Okay?
More buttons, more problems.
I'm going to look like Martin Luther King on NBA draft night. Y'all not ready. Okay?
Yo.
Wait till I'm eating a beignet and talking to Casanova.
That's right.
Yeah.
Only niggas with blazers long enough to cover Taylor Swift whole back.
I'll be like, yo, these eggs are delicious. So when you said punch a nigga's face, what did you mean?
Knock his teeth out?
Knock his teeth out.
Yeah.
Hey, Beyonce. Hey, girl. Security move.
Excuse me.
I'll talk to my sister. Come to my queen.
Please.
Hold up. She don't know me like I know her.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, we're not going there.
Oh shit, yo, it's Jim Jones, what up, nigga?
Now we're done. Instead of doing Rock Nation brunch, we're doing Raucous Records brunch.
Yeah.
We're doing nothing but real hip hop.
That's right.
All right. If you had a rap album in the early 2000s, come to our brunch located at Touch of Puerto Rico on Bronx, on Bruckner Boulevard in the Bronx. Taste of Puerto Rico. Yes. Come through. Please do not bring any weapons. Security does not play.
Come on, please.
Security does not play.
You know what I mean? All you ancillary
LP come through.
Yeah,
Company Flow. Cannibal Ox.
Nonfiction.
All that. Yeah,
you know
nonfiction.
You know what I'm
FT. Anybody. You know what I'm saying?
Fucking Milano, nigga.
Everybody.
All you like tertiary digging in the crates crew.
Come
niggas,
through.
Like, come through.
Stretch and Bob.
You know what I mean? Percy
Yo,
P.
if you ever bought a vinyl at Fat Beats, come through.
Straight
And bring your
up.
JanSport. That's
You know
the dress
what I mean?
code. You gotta bring a JanSport. And
Facts.
the straps gotta be tight.
And a bubble vest.
And your JanSport gotta have the strings. If you don't got the strings, we knew you was pussy. Sorry.
You're not getting in.
Sorry. That's just New York hip hop, baby.
Seating is arranged by the amount of strings on your JanSport.
There we go.
You know what I'm saying?
There we go.
You got mad strings, you a VIP. You got no strings, you with the commoners.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
The commoners. Yeah. That's right. We are hip hop elitists.
Yes.
I saw a tweet today. Somebody was like,
hip hop feudalism. We're bringing it back.
there's a tweet and the guy was like, he was like, I just found out today DJ Premier is from Texas. And I was like, my inner hip hop Hulk came out. I was like, how, if you don't know that you're not hip hop, also, do you know where his Technique 1200s come from?
Yeah. How about that?
He stole them at a house party. Hip hop. That's our new show, Condescending Hip Hop Nerds. We're the Mike Francesas of hip hop. People called in.
Like the Simpsons comic book guy?
Hey, good Mero. First time, long time. I got a hip hop query for you. Who do you think is better? Kendrick Lamar or Shells from Harlem? He was on Freestyle Friday. I'll hang up.
That's a ridiculous question. You know, Shells is the illest.
Hip hop.
Hip hop. He had bars. You motherfuckers know nothing about that.
Hip hop.
You know what I'm saying? When I was live, you know what I'm saying, at a Smack DVD recording under the 2 train at 174th Street, and Shell said, my chain type gray like trash can lids. Woo! I felt that. Woo! That was a bar. You know what I'm saying? So he's a true MC star. You know what I'm saying? Legend in the game. Real hip hop.
Hip hop. Real hip hop.
You know what I'm saying?
We could do 5 hours of that a day. People, everyone that like listens to sports, because now everyone grew up listening to hip hop, so everyone would just call in with bad takes and stuff.
Yeah.
I feel like Logic is the best rapper ever.
Yeah. Yo, fucking Jonathan in Long Island, go ahead.
Hi, first time, long time.
Wow, you sound like a herb, nigga. Go ahead.
Well, I am, but I was just wondering if you're top 5. I just want to say top 5 MCs: Tupac, Logic, Eminem, Macklemore, and the redhead girl, Baby.
Yo,
the bunny, the bad bunny.
Yo, you know what?
You're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
If you're gonna come up, you can call up, you know what I'm saying, WRAP, you know what I'm saying, with that bullshit, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, you said WRAP.
Yes.
Wow, I thought you said something totally different.
No.
I was like, no. I gotta cancel my serious contract.
So another one just in case. You can call WRAP with that bullshit? Huh? Imagine the black hip hop Mike Francesa. Like just with the Waha takes. He's like,
takes.
You know, fucking Lil Uzi Vert. I don't know. It's kind of like, you know.
Play another track for me. Come on, play another track. Play another freestyle. This guy sucks. This guy sucks.
Come on, this guy's terrible.
This
guy's terrible. Come on.
This guy. I mean, come on, enough. You love your wife. You love Jesus. How many tracks we gonna hear about this?
Yeah, come on.
All right.
What kind of ad lib is? What is that?
This is Chance.
Come on.
I gave him a chance.
Yeah.
Next caller.
Yeah. There, please get up, Mons. Get him out of here.
The world's not ready for a hip hop Mike Francesa.
No, hell no.
Should we turn Mike Francesa hip hop?
Isn't Tar Adams to make hip hop Mike Francesa?
Who? Nah, you name somebody like they're not in my. Who? You know what? At the Yankee game yesterday, I realized like I was taking pictures with people and people were staring. It was like, who the fuck is that? And it's like one of those things like who you got to ask other people. Other people's like, I don't know. It just seems like a very weird thing. Could you ever see someone that people taking pictures and you're like, I don't know who that is? And like you're not making any effort to find out who that person is.
No, you're not. You might Google him. You might try to Google. Are we there yet with technology? I'm not a technology guy. Are we there yet with technology where you could just take a picture of somebody and like find them?
You know what?
That sounds mad creepy.
It's not creepy, but
it's not for me.
If you
just wondering if the technology is there.
Here's how messy it is. If you take photos and you put it on your iPhone and you swipe up, sometimes your iPhone recognizes the person in it and links all their photos.
And the people, that's why I was asking because I was like,
it's like iPhone. Why don't you relax? iPhone's like, let me put all your best friends together. Let me make a movie. Let me make a movie. Everyone you ever taken a picture with? You're like, can you relax?
Yeah, remember your ex-girlfriend that you have that one picture of that you forgot about? That you completely forgot about?
I'm gonna scroll her on her screen slowly for 45 seconds while playing sentimental music.
Yeah,
with her name in bold. Yeah. Matter of fact, you know what? You might not even notice this in the photo section, so I'm just gonna pop it up on your notifications like a text.
hey, here's a little Easter egg for you. Type in Brazier.
Wow. Yeah, the iPhone be doing too much.
Yeah, way too much.
The iPhone be listen. iPhone got all your. If your iPhone came to life and tried to blackmail you, you'd be fucked.
Oh my god,
you would be fucked if your iPhone was like, "Hello, Mero."
That's an episode of Black Mirror.
Yeah,
it's like, yo,
what's up?
Oh, you got this little app to hide videos, huh?
Oh.
What kind of videos you had, huh?
Be a shame if I forwarded this thread to this other person you're texting a lot.
Oh.
You're like, well, why?
Why?
Because I was at 13%. I was at 13%. You saw the charger right there. You didn't plug me in, you piece of shit.
Garbage.
I was like,
I was at 100% and you plug me in. You know that damages my battery life.
Your phone's like, you want to see 13%? Phone beats you up and won't let you eat. The host of Black Mirror was like, yes, God, season
beautiful.
6.
Yeah,
I love it. All right, what if you drink water, but the water's robotic? Oh, gotcha, mate. That's all you got. Listen, we are getting closer. The cowards at Showtime are going to allow it. We're doing a Peppa Pig, Top Boy, Black Mirror crossover.
Yeah, it's going to be lit.
All right?
Triple crossover.
Peppa Pig come out. Where's my food, mate? To a robot.
Hey, bruv. Where's my peas, mate?
And he's like, I am a robot. I don't know what peas are in it. My functions are at Z.
Do you know how to whistle? I said, do you know how to fucking whistle, mate?
Chill. Deshane, she got a burner, mate. Chill, mans. Chill, man. Mans is Marv. Chill, mans.
Yeah. Mans is irate.
You don't want Peppa Pig coming over, taking over your projects.
Nah, dog. Her and George.
That's the last thing she says. She's like, oh, you know how to whistle?
Oh, yeah? You know how to whistle,
motherfucker? Nigga got a one tear coming out like, oh, shit.
Her little brother come out like, dinosaur. Nigga just bite you with the fucking toy dinosaur. Like, torture, nigga.
Oh, no.
Torture.
Niggas can't have that.
You know
Peppa Pig runs these PJs.
You know what I'm saying? Her pops come out like
Bring that man up here.
Yeah.
Hold on. Somebody suck that baby's dick. Somebody suck that baby's dick.
Because what?
The way he said suck that baby's dick. The urgency. It was like an Amber Alert.
I was like, yo, was P.O. in the club that night?
Like, yo, suck that baby's dick. You know, like
somebody suck that baby.
That's not something you can yell out in public.
Dog, that's not something you should yell out over a DJ's microphone.
Or ever. The only reason for you to ever say someone suck that baby's dick is if you are like walking through the desert and a rattlesnake bites the baby on the dick. Somebody suck the baby dick to suck the venom out. That is literally the only reason you should ever say, unless you're Mr. Fun Fun. That's some different shit.
Yeah, we got too much.
It's his birthday, bro.
Come on. Let him have some fun. Come on.
Yeah, he's all hopped up on the cake.
Come on, Cuba said it was okay.
That's right.
He was just stoned. So it was a kid's movie.
You know, if it happens again, my mouth in the bounty house. Wow.
I lost my balance. I fell with my mouth open. What do you want?
We got to do, you know how they have those communities and it's like out in Oregon, it's just like wild pedophiles. We got to do like a real road with like Mr. Fun and Denzel.
Oh, God.
Denzel's not even there because he's a pedophile, he's just there for drugs. I heard pedophiles keep drugs on
He's
them.
like, yeah, I mean, you know, you got to sedate them first, you know?
Yeah. I've been clean 5 days.
Yeah.
Mr. Fun hasn't seen a kid.
Hey, welcome to Bodega Boys, the arbiters of PC culture and cancel culture. We've talked about child molestation for the past 25 minutes.
Hypothetically. No one's getting hurt. No one's getting hurt.
Show me the doll.
Wow. See, it's not problematic. Well, wait, is it more problematic when you make the joke? Because you got kids.
I mean, like, it's like if you're part of that community, you can do that.
Right.
I feel like that's the general rule.
I'm not part of that community, no.
You got a secret family aside.
That's true.
You're Jamaican, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's true. Shout out my secret family. Now's a wild, stressful time of year when you have to speak secret family because like now it's like American Idol as to who you're sending Thanksgiving with. Like, you know,
like,
just God sent you money doesn't mean I want to see y'all this weekend. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't
Damn.
know. Like, I don't know.
And now it's like those weird holidays where everyone's like, "Oh, look at my son for Halloween." And like, you know, I'm at that point now. If I post a child and he's 5, like people gonna have questions.
They're like, yo,
so it's like, don't
fam.
even post him. You know?
Like, yo,
Yeah, go.
you were hiding a child.
Exactly.
With the, oh shit.
You don't want that. That hurts your heart.
Yo, that's
And it doesn't hurt your heart because you were hiding a child. It's like, damn, I got cooked with a Pusha T lyric.
Damn, bro.
Remember?
Shout out to Drake though. He went extra hard and he put like the Party City like letter balloons for his kid's birthday.
I mean, do you get props if another rapper has to shame you into claiming your child? Like, should that just be your new show? It's like Pusha T shames niggas into claiming their child?
Yo, TLC, huh?
I mean, I want that on Maury now. When Maury comes out, and they're like, Pusha T comes out with the mic like, you're hiding a child.
You're hiding a child.
And then they're just running backstage and shit.
Maury's like, the lie detector test determined that you were hiding a child.
Damn.
Nigga, what the fuck?
And then imagine you are hiding a child, and now other people know about the child. Like now you got to go in your circle and be like, "Who told?"
Yeah, which
shit changes.
Motherfucker.
Yeah,
you snitch on me? Mm-hmm. How dare you?
That's why I never tell you about my secret family. I don't want you to have to. I don't want you to ever be under pressure and have to, you know,
have to spill the beans.
Have to spill the beans. I don't want you to like, you know, get cornered by TMZ at Palisades Mall.
They're like, yo, we have pictures of these of the secret family. What do you have to say about that? I'm like, I don't know what you guys are talking about. Please respect my privacy. Please, I'm with my family. Please, you guys are terrible. You guys are like animals. You're mosquitoes. Turn to Kanye and shit. Fucking mosquito.
They're gonna call me about. I got pictures of you with your secret family. I'm like, rope, journalist, tree. They're like, oh wow, he's wearing a MAGA shirt. I'm like, did you just say about lynching journalists? I was like, yeah, it was a reference.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
I don't really. I got a lot of journalist friends, but I'm just like, respect my privacy, bro. They're like, you're with your secret family right now. I was like, who?
Who? What the fuck?
They're like right behind me. I was like, I'm at Cheesecake Factory by myself with 6 meals. Yeah. So you know what? Let me eat my pasta over here.
Yeah. Let me get my 6 pounds of pesto pasta on an enormous fucking plate.
Shout out to Cheesecake Factory. When's the last time you've been to Cheesecake Factory?
Oh man, you know I love to go there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean,
I think like a month ago.
Yeah.
Maybe a month ago.
Yeah.
I was in the mall and shit, and it was just like, yo, let's get something to eat. Went to Cheesecake. Shout out to Darius, my waiter, and he was like, yo, it was just like, you could tell he was fed the fuck up because it was like lunch hour, and he was just like,
did you have to wait to get in, or was it just like
no,
get a table right away?
Yeah. But he came up and he was like, you could tell he'd been on since they opened.
Yeah.
Because he was just like, he's like, yo, I'm Darius. Like, he didn't even, you know, people be like, yo, I'll be your server. He's like, yo, I'm Darius. It's your bread, nigga. Like, yo, I was like, yo.
Oh, shit.
Yo. I was like, yo, what you gonna have, nigga? I'm like, yo, I have the pesto pasta with the chicken and shit. He's like, yo, what about this white bitch? I'm like, what? I was like, sir. I was like, sure, that's my wife.
It's like, I know that. What she want?
Oh, yeah. What the fuck she want, nigga? Fuck.
Oh,
let me
shit.
guess. Hummus. So y'all white motherfuckers eating niggas disgruntled.
Oh, shout out to Darius.
Darius, you my guy though. That's why I tipped you $100.
There you go.
Because I know you was feeling away.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
Do you tip it in credit card or tip it in cash?
Cash, straight cash.
There you go.
Yeah,
that's the best way to tip. Best way to tip.
Yeah, because I don't know what the Cheesecake Factory's MO is with like taking percentages out of tips or
it's
whatever.
like their motto. Cheesecake Factory, where a kid could be a kid.
Yeah.
Is that the?
I think so.
No,
it might be.
Probably not.
Or Run for the Border. Is it Run for the Border?
Run for the border. Run towards the border.
Oh no.
Build that wall.
We have the meats.
Cheesecake Factory, we have the meats. Damn.
Yeah, and his Ving Rhames.
I think it's Cheesecake Factory. Somebody suck that baby's dick. Imagine that's the thing as a cheesecake. You should ring a bell. Everyone comes over like, suck that baby dick, suck that baby dick, hey, suck that baby dick, hey, suck that baby dick, hey, suck that baby dick, suck that baby dick, hey, that baby dick. How many baby dicks are you? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Sucking on that baby dick. Drop the candle in front of you.
And then they just bounce. I like how those restaurant joints, they just come and they just end mad abruptly and they bounce.
You're like, yo,
like
it's your fucking birthday. It's your birthday.
Hey, fuck you, nigga. I'm out.
But think about if you work there, you don't give a shit about this person's birthday.
No.
Matter of fact, now they just made you coon it up. You just trying to work.
Yeah.
Or you come there to serve food. Now you dancing and clapping and shit.
Oh man.
What is this?
Happy birthday.
Happy Kanye
birthday.
Soul Sunday?
No,
Like, come on, man. Nobody want this shit.
Here.
Also, shout out to Kanye, who was having his Soul Sunday in Emancipation Park in Jamaica this weekend. Ironically, Emancipation Park is named after, I don't know, slaves that defeated the people that were enslaving them in Jamaica.
Oh god!
And Kanye's gonna come on it's a choice bullshit.
Oh,
but as much as I beef about Kanye, you know what? It doesn't matter because you coons are gonna show up anyway to this performance. I had the chance to go. I never went.
In Jamaica,
So now I judge all of you. Yeah.
How you violate?
You know what?
There's
There's nothing else to do in Jamaica.
This is the first time that I fully agree with the Jamaican sentiment of bun them.
Shit. Are you saying Jamaica should burn Kanye?
Yo, burn Kanye, Jamaica. Make us proud.
What if they try to burn Kim and it's like the mad plastic fire?
Niggas can't put it out. They're like, yo, nothing's working. We're using the chemical fire extinguisher. It's not working. We don't know what's going on.
Yeah, this episode I guess is canceled.
Just drop sand on it.
Yeah, it's been a good run. We got 135 episodes deep. Yeah, even I'm offended by this one. I'm about to write a letter to SoundCloud and Cash App like, you guys sponsor this?
Yo, how dare you?
How dare you? How dare you?
Yo. Shout out to Shorty that came on her face on Twitter and was like, yo, let me tell you something. I am a white woman, and I'm going to tell you about black culture. Black culture is ubiquitous. So if you're mad that people are saying the N-word, deal with it. I was like, excuse me, Karen?
I
was like, so, yo.
I'm at the point now I don't care anymore because I've been living so long. This is a new fight for a new generation. They have to pick how they feel about people. Yeah. No, like 20-year-olds, you gotta be like, yo, we let people say the N-word or not?
That's your job.
I'm just old now. I'm too old to get on. Well, I'm gonna get on Twitter and tell an 18-year-old they can't say the N-word. Like, nigga, that's gonna make them say it even more.
Fuck you, old head.
Like, think about it when you were younger. Yeah. As soon as someone was like, don't say it, I was like, fuck you, old person.
Old motherfucker.
They're like, pull your pants up. Now pull them even down.
Yeah, now I'm showing my whole ass.
They're like, use condoms. I was like, what?
You thought? Fuck out of here.
They came and they was like, yo, don't use drugs. I was like, use all the drugs? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. All right. Catch me at Hotel Chantel. Hop off that Molly. Yeah. Me and Stephen Cavalier just chilling. Yeah.
Listen to put fucking night crawlers.
Some song that's like, suck that baby's dick. Niggas like, you want to go to after hours? I was like, I thought we was at after hours.
His days is on the vocals and shit like, suck that baby's dick. Yes.
I'm so washed. Any happy hour after 6 p.m. is after hours. You going to afters? They're like, sir, this is TGI Fridays. Yo. I was like, we're going to afters. We're going to get potato sliders.
Yo.
Can I get a Moscow Mule? And you know what? It's a cheat day. Let me get a quesadilla.
Yeah. Fuck it. You know what? Throw some chicken in that bitch.
So sometimes do Coke. I'm like, whoa. Only Coke we're doing is a soda. I got an 8 a.m. tomorrow.
Take it easy, pal.
Yeah.
I'm a line cook.
Yeah. Meanwhile, somewhere 20-year-old Desus is like stealing drinks and running out and drinking them in fucking Penn Station. Like, yeah, let's get right, bro. Let's get right. I gotta be at work at 7 so I can party until 6:55.
Yeah. My logic as a 20-year-old was like, yo, if I do enough ecstasy, I'll just stay up all night and I could just go straight to work at 6 o'clock in the morning wearing the same garments that I wore for 48 hours.
One of my greatest moments as a New York City person. I worked at the library on 34th Street. Shout out to Sybil, the small industry, science industry and business library. Shout out to entrepreneurs. So I worked there. I had to be at work at, I want to say 9 a.m.
Okay.
Now, you know how if you go out late at night, the 2 train takes forever to take you back to the Bronx. That's at least an hour. So I was like, it doesn't even make any sense. So I came up with I was leaving, and I asked the security guard, I was like, what time does the building open? He was like, 7. And I was like, oh, I could just come there and sleep in the morning and go to work. So I got there, but the party ended at like 4, and I didn't have an after to go to. But I remember there was a bench in front of the building, and I just went and I slept on the bench from 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. And then I went to work, and everyone at work was like, "Are you okay? You look rough." And I was like, "Yeah, I'm fine, bro. Yeah. I'm going off the Amarillo sours, but I'll be all right." Excuse me, I gotta go throw up.
Sir, you smell like somebody spilled Georgia on a dirty rug.
What do you want? I was at an open bar. It was all Sparks all night. What do you want? I was listening
Yo, I went to a party sponsored by Sparks. Yo,
I was drinking Tiger beer and listening to Cascade. I spent a lot of time at the fucking McDonald's on,
Yeah, you know the one.
The Delancey McDonald's.
You know the one.
Get your dick sucked for a hot bag. No, they fixed up the Delancey McDonald's.
It's crazy because
they made it like a cantina, kind of classy like that.
But they fucked me up. They fucked me up with the visuals because it's like I always thought of Delancey McDonald's as like the 9th circle of hell, like there's nothing but fiends and fights and like whatever.
Yeah,
and they fixed the front of the shit. But now it's like mad chainmail and like gates.
They
and
want
shit.
you to feel. They're just like, yo, if it looks better, act better.
I was like, bro, you made this
come
shit
in
like
there
a
mad
jail.
drunk at 4 a.m. Like, you thought,
motherfucker.
Fuck that. Be like, let me get a fucking McDouble, and I don't even need the bathroom code. I'm peeing right here. I'm peeing while I'm ordering.
I'm peeing in the booth.
Matter of fact, here you go. Throw that out.
Hold that.
That's my feces.
There you go. There's the chicken tender for you.
And when you drunk at McDonald's at 4 a.m., you start getting creative. You be like, yo, let me get a McDouble with mustard sauce on it, and you know what? Give me some drizzles of the French fry oil. Just put it on the bun. And, yo, y'all got gyros.
You know what? Yo, can you?
Uncle Victor! Hey!
Have mercy.
It's your favorite part of Full House. Uncle Victor's here. Full House, they were never like stressing over rent or nothing.
Never.
How much better would it have been if Danny came in like, what the fuck? We gotta raise $500.
Jesse,
get out there.
You
work.
gotta sell your pussy.
Oh, okay, wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's not ABC's Full House. I don't know what channel you trying to sell that to.
Showtime.
Why is that the lead-in for our show? Oh my God!
Justin was getting his back blown out to pay the
It's
rent.
just Jesse with his legs there, like have mercy.
Have mercy. Niggas spray hairspray on his head and shit when he's getting his
Niggas using yoga as lube. God,
Yo, John. Yo, John.
Oh.
Yo, that would be mad progressive though. You know what I'm saying? If you made a Full House and it wasn't just like 3 straight white males.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, for that, you could probably just make any show with gay people.
True.
Like, does it have to be a reboot of Full House?
A reboot of Full House.
But no, reboots
no, you know, it'd be great if they did that, and then they did do that just to make white people upset, because white people be up in arms. They'll be like, Uncle Jesse can't be gay. He had mad broads.
Is Full House like something white people get defensive of? I think you have to go even harder. You got to go find a show that like you got to go for Friends. Make Friends, but it takes place in a rehab center.
Ooh, they all on opioids.
Yeah,
Ooh,
and they all keep failing.
Yeah.
At the end of every episode, it's like, guess we gotta start over.
Back to daytop.
I'll be there for you with the drugs, bro.
Yeah,
with the fucking drugs. I need the drugs.
Bag.
I
mean, low key, it was a halfway home.
Was it?
It was like 6 of them living in like 2 1-bedrooms.
Word. And they all had blazers. I was like, how y'all niggas got blazers and you broke?
The wild thing is, I've never seen Friends, so when people talk about it, I'm just like, I don't know.
I ain't even gonna lie to you.
I feel the way I feel about Friends is the way I guess generally white people feel about black culture. I'm just like I've heard of it. I've just never paid attention.
I don't know.
I was like, what? That's like the cops are killing who?
But why can't I say the N-word?
Why can't? What?
You guys say it.
What? Shit. That's
Like,
wild.
I didn't say you can't say. You got it, dude.
So wait, who's Stinky Kitty? What? And then everyone was like, apparently there was like an episode where Phoebe wore a fat suit. And it's wild problematic looking back.
Ooh.
That's all I know of Friends.
Damn.
That's all I know of Friends.
That reminded me of that
and
movie.
there was
where
that
the dude had this, was it Gwyneth Paltrow had the fat suit, or was it a guy?
Shallow Hal.
Yeah.
You can't make Shallow Hal nowadays.
No.
You could do Shallow Hal, but she can't be fat. She could just have like wild anxiety.
Yeah. She's like, you keep having panic attacks. I can't deal with it, Gwendolyn.
No, the only episode of Friends I ever saw, I think it was Matthew LeBlanc. Yeah, he comes in and shit. Because they were always at a coffee shop, right?
Yeah.
So he comes in and he's talking to. There's one named Russ. Was there one named
Ross?
Yeah. Ross, not like Jamaican Ross, but like
Ross. Imagine it was Jamaican Ross. In Friends, you just dropped Jamaican Ross in the middle of the cast of Friends.
Oh my god.
He's like, yo, bomba Claudiana.
Oh, I found it. It's this episode when he comes in and he goes,
Hold on. Bring that man up here. Hold on. Somebody suck that baby's dick.
Somebody suck that baby's dick. That wasn't a popular episode of Friends. But it was probably one of the highest rated ones.
No. I think he getting it confused with the monkey episode. He was like, somebody suck that monkey's dick.
Oh, shit.
He acting out of pocket.
Oh, man.
Yo, we decided we're going to pitch a field piece where we go to the club with Cuba Gooding Jr.
Again. For real. Again.
Listen, you want to go to the club with Cuba Gooding Jr.? It's all well and good, so he puts a thumb in someone's butt.
Yo, Mero has a penchant for pitching ideas that only Oprah could ever pitch.
Yeah.
And even she would have a hard time. She'd be like, okay, now hear me out.
Oprah's like, I'm not trying to lose no money. All the Mero's pitches are terrible. He's like, yo, let's go shoot guns and snitch with Tekashi. I'm like, why would we do that? I have a confession. Diana knows. Yesterday, I wasted Seamless and ordered what? Taco Bell.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think if Whitney were here, may she rest in peace, she'd ask for the receipts.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't even know.
Fam,
now
I
have to
took
look at that
I
in
took
your
the
order
lactate.
history.
I took the lactate and I was good. I was like, yo, we in business. We back eating lactate.
Yeah.
Back eating Taco Bell.
He called and was like,
Nigga. You ever be on the toilet and your body does stuff and you're like, yo, I didn't even know it could do that? Fam. No, don't trust this computer. What are you doing?
I said, don't trust.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I never trust computers. I always say don't trust. The only computers I trust is Roddy Rebel and Bobby Shmurda. That's it.
Yes. Right? I'm jumping over cars without you. I think that I'm Tom Cruise. But bitch, I'm Bobby with that too. Can't wait for that to be my wedding. Yo, shout out to Fatima.
Yeah.
She had the lit wedding this weekend out at Terry's Town. Shout out to her and her boo. Very popular wedding. A lot of celebrities there, like myself.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's it. That's your shout out. You happy?
Shout out to you.
Shout out to you.
know what I mean?
You're married now.
Sorry I couldn't
Enjoy
make
that.
it. My dad was in town, you know what I'm saying? And he likes to do things with his son and he sees occasionally, so, you know.
This nigga hangs with his father.
This nigga father's in his life.
Wow.
He's never gonna be a real nigga.
Wow.
You think Jay-Z hang out with his kids?
Okay. Think about it. We heard like
Shout to Loiter Squad.
6 albums of Jay-Z
Legendary.
just begging for his father to come back in his life. He's like, my pop's not here, but that's okay.
I got us some Travis Scott shit like, yo, fuck my dad. He was president of my life. Yeah.
Yo, he ever come out the woodwork? Jay-Z's dad?
He did, but then
to
he
not
died.
collect one check?
No, he came through, but he came through and his liver was failing. He died. Yeah.
That's a shame. I didn't know that. My fault.
Oh, you hate to see it.
Hey, damn, this nigga don't care at all. This nigga got a father.
I'm desensitized.
You one of them whack people that on Father's Day post your father.
Yeah.
Wow, you trash, nigga.
Yeah, shout out to
Wow.
my pops. Yeah,
Fuck you.
Yo, cause my pops was a real nigga. Cause he's driving around. We driving around by Yankee Stadium. He's like, yo, I had a bitch over there. I had a bitch over here. I'm like, I'm your son. I'm your son. Your wife is my mother.
Shout out to all my real niggas out here. Shout out to when I got a problematic relationship with their father. You know what I'm saying? When you call him, it's like talking to a nigga you owe money. So you be like, what's up? Be like, what's up? What's up? What's poppin'? If you ever said to your parent, can I get off the phone now? You a real nigga. All right? If you set quotas like, I'm going to talk to them for 10 minutes. All right, 9:59. They're like, my back hurts. I think I gotta go, Ma.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
You don't even talk. You
Yeah.
just do the Diddy fucking whatever idol gift where you just stare at each other for like 10 seconds.
I knew I had to stop hanging with my father because last time we were drunk in a Florida bar, and I was like, I could rock this nigga. And I was like, you know what? It's time to go. And I was just remember. I was like, oh shit! When I was 5, he bought me a Tonka truck, but didn't buy me D batteries for it. And I was like, this motherfucker. Oh shit! Remember, I asked you to share the shareware, and you didn't share it.
Yeah, it was freeware.
Freeware.
Asshole.
All right. Remember, I asked you to record this movie on my VHS tape in SLP, and you recorded it in SP. Huh? I didn't have no space left.
Listen, man. Even if I had beef with my dad, I just saw a video of Mike Tyson yesterday, and I wouldn't fight my dad. Even at this
Your dad's
stage,
not Mike Tyson, though.
You know what I'm saying?
Your dad's not Mike Tyson.
He got big paws, bro.
He got big paws. You got it, but here's the thing: you got to remember. Everyone's like, "Oh, you can't beat your father up." You are 50% of your father. Oh. You are 50% of your father. You're lighter and you're faster, and you know. Oh. So that's why I was like, I could beat this nigga's ass. But then I remember he's from Jamaica, and also last week I saw him crack a coconut with his bare hands.
That's
so
what I'm talking about. Yeah,
I was like, you know what, you got some other shit going on, sir.
I was like, dog, I've been to the Bronx Zoo, and I've been to the gorilla exhibit. I've seen their hands and their feet, and I see absolutely no difference between the hands of a full-grown silverback male gorilla and those of my father.
I knew I could not beat my father up when he gave us sugar cane, but he pulled off the outside with his teeth.
Yes.
And I was like, you know what?
Yes.
I've only seen pandas do that.
Yes.
So I want no smoke.
Yes.
I was like, you know what? I am going to go do the dishes, sir. I don't even live in this house anymore.
Fam. When I just see my dad bite the head off of fucking like shrimp or crawfish or some shit straight out the river, I was like, yeah. I'm not fucking with this motherfucker.
Straight up.
Yeah, no.
No,
I don't want no beef.
Then also you do the math. You're just like, I'm like, oh, I grew up in the Bronx. Like, she was rough with. He's like,
nigga, I killed a goat with an ice pick.
Nigga, I left my country with nothing. I'm like,
true.
You got a point.
Touche.
You got a point. You got a point, sir. I was like, damn, you left your country with no. But you know what? Like, imagine your father back in the day, like about to leave, and they're like, why are you gonna go up there? He's like, I'm gonna go because my son's gonna have a show. You know niggas is cooking him. It was like, what, boy? He's like, my son, he's going to have a show on Showtime that's called Premium Cable. They was like, boy,
you thought, nigga. You better get yourself with my son over there chopping blocks of wood and shit. Nigga making fucking charcoal. Fucking get that nigga in the rice paddy.
Oh shit!
Shout out to Pops.
Oh man! Shout out to them. Are you should do like your father, leave this country and go start over in a new country till your kids know.
Oh yeah.
Go start over in
like
someone suggest a country.
Like other country because there are a lot of like U.S. related, like Guam.
Yeah. Send your kids to Guam.
True.
Yeah.
Guam.
Yeah. Nigga be like, yo, what's a Guam?
What's a Guam? What's a Guam? What's a Guam?
Yo,
that's the name of the podcast. What's a Guam?
Yo, call the tourism board right now. We'll sell that shit for 25 racks.
Okay. What's a Guam?
25 racks a month in perpetuity.
What's a Guam? Wow.
What even happens out there?
They Guamin'. We Guamin'. We Guamin'. We Guamin'. And now up you are Guamin' to Holy Mount Zion.
Don't say that shit too long because the Bob Marley estate is going to be like, yo.
No, either the Bob Marley estate is going to attack us or like 5 students from NYU are going to come around us. Like, wow, acoustic guitar. They're going to start some rally for some.
He's like, dude, I got a ukulele with jam out.
I'm like, yo, how am I asked her place? What happened? What happened?
Yo, what is the ukulele? White people did not invent the ukulele. What is it a traditional Hawaiian instrument?
It is. As an expert of Hawaii, after being there once. Yes, it's a traditional Hawaiian instrument.
Yeah.
Yes.
So damn, yo, Zoe Deschanel fucking like culturally usurped that shit.
Yo, she had a moment.
Yo.
Remember she had the fucking Apple commercial?
The Apple commercial was raining.
She was like, Siri, is it raining? And Siri was like, bitch, you're looking out the window.
You're looking out the window, you fucking bozo.
They was like, move your stupid bang.
Yo, you idiot. Yeah, you stupid bang. And what was the show called? New Girl? I didn't even know how I watched that shit. Yeah.
Bro.
Nigga, you talk about How I Met Your Mother.
I already explained.
That's one of the
I explained how real niggas watch. I've never watched How I Met Your Mother.
Oh, the same thing with New
The
Girl.
thing is always
It's just
on.
on in the
No, it's
background.
not the same because New Girl is not always on in the background the way How I Met Your Mother is always on. How I Met Your Mother is on from 6 o'clock to 7, from 7 to 8, from 8 to 9, and then at 10 it goes to Family Guy.
So how did the guy meet
it's
his
just
mother?
on in the back of my TV. I'm rolling up blunts. I'm writing shit on the computer. I'm playing with my cat. I'm doing all this dumb shit. I'm not paying attention to it, but subconsciously I've soaked it all up, and I know all the dumb shit that happens on that show. But at the same time, I will never sit down and watch a new episode when it comes on because I don't care about the show.
Absolutely.
And also because I watch the show out of order, I have no idea what happens.
No,
like I
do you
know at
know
one
what the mom
point,
is?
I know at one point 2 characters were dating, and then the next episode they weren't.
Yeah.
And then like one character's father died, and then like but he's dating like the little small girl. And it's like some weird shit,
There's
bro.
mad sexual tension between the shorty with the black hair and the dude with the black spiky hair. Like, he's like the main guy. I don't know.
Sure. Oh, yeah.
Like, and I literally, this
you wanna know
information
how-
was
you
me
wanna know
walking
how-
past the TV and being like, oh, they got this sexual tension.
You know how little I know about this show? I'm getting confused with Big Bang Theory because you said that, and I was like, oh, the blonde girl that lives across the hall from them. But no.
See?
So a mess.
Also, let me tell you something. Every sitcom that you see that is set in New York is an absolutely wrong representation of what New York is. Just let y'all know. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you, Mero, for telling us facts everyone knows.
You know what I'm saying?
Thank you, Mero.
There's no Central Perk, guys. Sorry.
Next, Mero's gonna do a groundbreaking tweet like the moon is not made of green cheese.
It's not.
Nah, I feel you because like, don't most people who watch that aren't they in the heartland?
Yeah, and they think that they really think that that's New York.
I don't think
that's New
anyone.
York.
I don't think anyone watches that and thinks that's New York. Like you have to be able. You got to be able to look at Friends and see there's no black people and
Have
be
you,
like, that's not.
have you been to West Virginia?
You haven't.
I have.
Have you?
I have.
Oh yeah, for that wedding, right?
Yeah.
Oh God.
But no, but we've done, we've met enough people. People are not stupid. No one thinks Friends is how New York looks.
Trump is president. You're gonna tell me people not stupid?
Wow.
I mean, yo.
It's true. Maybe I got too much faith in people. Maybe I got too much faith.
Common sense ain't too common.
All right. Damn, America's stupid.
Yo, it's crazy.
Wow.
It hurts to say it, but it's true. Like, yo, it's too many smart dumb niggas in America.
It's true. It's true.
Imagine you move here from the heartland and you try to find an apartment like in Friends. They had the dumb crazy like skylight. That whole wall was glass.
Well, I mean,
Niggas had a duplex.
10 G's a month at least.
oh no, you find out right away. You don't move here trying to find that. You be on Craigslist in Iowa and whatever, and be like, yo,
Manhattan.
you're like, wait.
You didn't even type like an area.
One
You just
bedroom,
like,
$3,000. Yo, it doesn't make sense. I could buy my state for this.
You're like maintenance closet, $2,500 a month, no utilities.
Oh, you find a nice apartment, and they're like, oh, this is great. And then like the one asterisk at the bottom is like, dead body.
Triple homicide.
Yeah. Hey, this apartment does not have a bathroom.
It's still
Or even worse, like this bathroom, the toilet, and the sink are the same thing.
yes. Also, this great deal. It's gonna stop being an active crime scene in about a month.
Yeah.
So get in early.
They're like, hey, you don't mind that your bed is located in the shower? You're just like, but if you're a real New Yorker, you're like, I don't even shower that much.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck it,
Yo,
like,
yo,
you know.
I can shower in bed, nigga. That's mad convenient.
The worst part of being a New Yorker is when you have to explain your house when people come over.
Yo,
You be like, yo,
so like that, they only had the water pipe right there, so that's why the washing machine is
so
next
like
to my
I
TV.
just I dry shit. Also, by the way, if y'all gotta use the bathroom, y'all gotta go to the Starbucks on the corner. The PIN number is 5123. Okay? For today.
Tomorrow's gonna be something.
I don't know. It's gonna
different,
change, whatever.
You gotta ask.
Also, I live with a clown that's in a wheelchair. It's his apartment. So like
That's how we get in rent
So
control.
don't go on that side of the apartment.
Yeah,
okay.
nah,
He don't
so
like that shit. He don't play that
there's
shit.
Some wild
okay?
shit going on over there.
That's different.
So that's why I put the beaded curtain up.
I remember I once went. My boy. Damn! I'm about to. I can't. This story's too good. I can't even change the details because he's gonna know right away. Because it's that absurd a thing. But basically, I went to. Damn. Fuck it, it's worth it. I'm gonna ruin a relationship. I'm gonna ruin a relationship for y'all for this podcast. I went to a housewarming in New York. It was like an old school apartment, but my boy. He had just moved in and he fucked his roommate after a week. But then she found out he had a girl. So they were fighting while they were having the housewarming. And it was like an old school New York tenement house. and the air conditioner was located on her part of the apartment.
Oof.
And she wouldn't let us turn it on. And she just sat in the living room with her arms crossed, and we were all on the other side of the apartment, like dying of like heat exhaustion and shit.
Yo.
And he had to explain the whole situation. And
He's like, yo.
his girl was there.
Wow.
And I only remember that because the girl I brought to there was amateur when it came to drinking, and she got stupid drunk. And she was like, mad sick. We had to take her home, but she was about to throw up. We couldn't get in a taxi cab until she threw up. And she was like, stick your finger down my throat. And I was like, what? She was like, stick your finger down my throat.
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
So we're standing on the corner of Canal Street, and I'm sticking my finger down this girl's throat. And the cops drive by, and they did that thing with the cop car, and they go, whoop. And I'm just like, I know her. Yeah. And the cop was like, oh, okay. And they just drove off. Which is probably not a good thing for NYPD. Like, you really need to, like, stop that from happening.
He just looked at the cop like.
Also, we got back to her house, and she didn't have her house keys, and I was going to break the window, and she said it was too much. And I was like, well, we're not going to. I yelled at her, and she started crying, and we were on the stoop, and it was like a mess.
Oh, my God.
It was a traditional New York story of, like, in your 20s.
Yeah, 20-something house party. Yo.
I'm sure the night ended with me, like, getting on a bus home with, like, a plant I stole from somebody else's stoop or some shit. It's a mess.
Yo. Shout out to go to house parties in your 20s because, like, yo, if you threw a house party in your house in your 20s, you know what time it was.
Yeah.
There's tags in Washington Heights apartments that are still there that I don't remember. You know what I'm saying? Because shit got really hectic. And when you mix nutcrackers and drugs and open doors and reggaeton, problems ensue.
Yeah, house parties in your 20s is different than house parties in your 30s because in your 30s, it's just like...
No. When you're in your 30s, it's not even a house party anymore. It's a dinner party.
It's a dinner party or a gathering.
A get-together.
A warm,
a potluck.
Just come through.
Yeah. Come hang.
You be wild stressed, like, what can I bring?
Yeah.
You're inside, like, do I got enough chairs?
What kind of wine should I put out?
What music should I play?
All right.
Well, you're in your 20s, like, yo, I got enough Coke.
Yo, I gotta handle the Georgie and,
like,
and some blow.
So give me a Spotify login and a Bluetooth speaker. Oh, we good to go.
Yo, which one of y'all niggas got Netflix? Yo, let's watch Kill Bill and smoke angel dust.
I once went to a house party and it was just like one box of Popeyes, and I was like, this is the best shit ever. It's like 60 people eating one box of Popeyes. Niggas nibbling chicken and passing it like a blunt. Beautiful. Beautiful. The best house party I ever went to, my homeboy, my homegirl, they were moving to LA and they were leaving their Brooklyn apartment. But their house party was on the last day of their lease. So we could do whatever the fuck we wanted to do to that apartment. Nigga, I kicked a hole in the wall.
Oh, man.
Like, I was bugging. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. But, shit was wild.
Yeah.
Niggas had the mad part. Like, Shorty was getting her back blown out in the coat room.
Oof.
And I was like, excuse me, I'm leaving. So I literally had to pull the coat out from them, having sex on top of it.
Excuse me, did you get secretions on my jacket?
Can you not like ejaculate onto my North Face,
guys? Please. It's Gore-Tex, but
I have a 2-hour ride back to the Bronx. Like, don't do this to me. They're like, next stop, not where you're going. I was like, oh man.
Oh fuck.
They was like, you thought you was getting home? You thought? Get off here, get a shuttle bus. I'm like, oh, come on, bro. And then like they violate on the weekends. They'll be like, hey, take a shuttle from ground zero to 125th Street. I'm like, oh Jesus Christ.
You get on the train. The train is like, this train will be making no stops. You're like, what the fuck? What? You're like, yo, I gotta get off at 2:33.
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
You taking this shit to the end, nigga.
Or they just change the stops. They'll be like, we're making all stops except, or like they say real fast, they're like,
except to read.
This train's going to express, not going to close the stand, close the door. Like, what?
Who's the what?
Because everyone on the train, everyone that rides the MTA knows when they make an announcement, you have the initial announcement when you hear it, and then there's the point when you actually take out your AirPods and listen to what they're saying. Because you hear everyone else looking around, you're like, oh shit, they're making an announcement. But if you're not fast enough, by the time all you hear is stand clear of the closing doors.
You catch the back half of the announcement and be like, it'll be stopping at.
You're like, what?
Where?
They're like, at the next stop, everyone on this train will be murdered. You check out like what? What'd they say?
Everybody's gonna.
What happened?
We're gonna get what?
We're going to Myrtle. What happened?
Myrtle Wyckoff?
And then you got to ask other people on the train, and people got the mad attitude. Like, they said everyone on this train gonna get murdered. The fuck?
You listening?
The fuck? Pay attention.
Just take out your stupid fucking little iPods, whatever the fuck you got in your ear. Stupid.
The funniest shit is when you're on the train, like you don't hear the announcement, but everyone runs off the train, and you run off the train too, and you're like, what happened? Why we got train?
And you
it's going out of service?
And you completely fucked up because it was taking you express the way
it was the
exactly
train
where
you needed
to be.
You was like, yo, they're like, this F train is turning into a 2. Everyone's like, fuck. I was like, nah, I need a 2. Oh, man. Now I'm in the part of New York that doesn't really exist. I'm in second and second.
Yo.
Housing an avenue and a street, and I'm 9 Queens. Whoa.
Go to Queens with no fucking GPS. I dare you. I dare you, nigga. End up on 69th Road in 110th place.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
Look at Victor's face. He don't like the Queen. He don't like the Queen slander.
Nah, I mean it's true.
Tell him about cop killing Queens.
Yo, homicide Hollis. As someone who's raised in Briarwood, but we just said Jamaica because nobody knows where it is. 2 places we stayed away from: Guy R. Brewer Boulevard.
Guy R. Brewer. Shout out to Guy R. Brewer. Guy R. Brewer goes down.
I caught my little North Face and Tim's, no tax on the Ave, and then I was like, yo, get home.
Yo.
Fuck before the sun goes down. Fuck the vampires. Some fucking D-boys on the other side of that, like, aqueduct, like, fucking concrete wall with arches through it, like you're in ancient Rome. I was like, whoo!
Listen,
time to go. If you're from there, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
I knew Guy R. Brewer was problematic because as soon as I stepped foot there, I was like, wow. This feels like the Bronx.
I knew Guy Brew was problematic because I heard Normie say, yo, my nigga 2 for one time, Guy Brew. As soon as he said that shit, I was like, okay, this is probably dangerous area.
I was like, this is hooded. I was like, wow, barbershop, Chinese food store, liquor store. What more can you want?
Yeah, wow.
Oh, man.
I took the train out to Queens and I was just like, yo, Queens is nice. It's like mad residential and shit. And then the shorty was like, yeah, just take I think it was the F. She was like, yo, take the F to Southpin. I was like, all right, cool. I got off the train. I was like, I was like, is this Queens? Are you sure? I was like, I'm nervous.
Now I remember Shorty that back in the day. I remember like Shorty had me. She was like, "Yo, take the E train to the last stop."
Don't do that.
Then take the bus.
Then take the dollar van. I was like, she was like, "Yeah, it's called Rochdale." I was like, "What?
What? What is that?"
I was like, "So
that's far."
I was like, "So bring the burner." she was like, "I mean, it's a nice place, but yeah, probably." I was like, damn.
Yo, shout out to Shorty that made me come do a fucking delivery at fucking Middle Village. What the fuck is that? I don't even know what that is. And this was MapQuest days.
It's in the middle. Stuck in the middle with you. Did you guys hear the shiny new song by one Kylie Jenner?
Oh. Is it Horizon Shine?
Yeah. It's Rise and Shine, baby.
Horizon Shine.
It's a beautiful song.
Horizon Shine.
Did you not sing that to your kids?
I was like, how does Travis Scott have a better singing voice than you?
Horizon Shine.
Horizon Shine.
Horizon Shine.
I'm like, yo, who the fuck?
Rise and shine. Rise and shine.
That's how you sing to people right before you break up with them.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
That's how you wake a girl up to tell her Uber's there. You be like, rise and shine. It's outside.
Rise and shine.
Yo, Alberto's outside.
I'm going to work.
Rise and shine.
Why are you still
Rise and
here?
shine.
Wow, I told you to leave at 3.
And the funny shit about that video is that the baby is up as fuck.
Yeah.
And just sitting in the crib like...
Maybe because there's a fucking camera crew in the room?
Like, yo.
The baby's mic'd up.
Yo.
Like, some union worker was like, hey, yeah, I'm going to run the microphone down your jacket, okay?
Is that okay?
That's all right? Okay, I'm going to clip it to the diaper. You good? All right. How you doing? Stormy, my name's Jeff. I'm the sound guy. All right.
Hey, nice to Google guy.
Hey, I worked with your father, Travis. I worked with him on a project in Houston. Whatever.
Google guy did
Google Gaga.
Yeah,
I'm gonna put the mic pack in the front because if you're laying in back, it's gonna hurt your back. I don't want to hurt a baby. All right. We'll be right back. Hey, Stormy. Let me get a mic test.
Horizon Shine.
Go, that's good. All right, we'll go right there. All right.
All right, let's go.
All right. You realize like somebody took the soundboard and was like, trumpet Apogee October 347 take 1, and then turned off the light in front of the baby. Like, that's how TV is made.
Yo, the baby was like, yo, what the fuck is going on? Yo, what are y'all doing?
Baby's like, I don't like this shit.
Straight up. Yo, but in that family, those kids are their keep.
They know that.
Facts.
They get put to work.
Those babies, like their first words are, "Eat the hair and makeup." Like they ain't know how to make production and shit.
Yo.
Right?
Oh shit.
All right. Those baby's first words was sag.
I'm waiting for one of them like break bad and shit and like expose the family and shit. Like also like, yo, this shit is all fugazi.
You make too much money off that shit, bro. I'm trying to get on the Kardashians.
It's a fraud. It's a fraud. It's a fraud.
I want to get to like the wild fight with Scott Disnick over like sugar or some shit.
Oh god!
You gave my baby Splenda, huh? And they got the wild dramatic music.
Why would you give my baby juice? Like they make the stupidest shit into like World War IV, and then they throw the music behind it.
The dramatic music and the close looks and everything.
God, like yo,
Chloe's in the back like.
You gave my baby an apple?
Oh my god!
You letting me the seed?
Kanye wore my socks?
Oh my god!
Can the family get past this? And they show me like this, like.
Let me just do the wild super kind of shit.
This season on Urine with the Kardashians. We're moving to the Bronx. Kanye, I want to take the kids to the Joker steps. I'm like, don't take them to the fucking Joker steps. I didn't say it was a good Kardashian spinoff.
Rise and shine.
You gotta do that with the gun, like rise and shine.
Rise and shine.
Rise and shine.
She thought she was doing something too. That's
rise and shine. Get up, nigga.
Yo, what the fuck?
Fuck up. You know what?
Baby in the crib like.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
Oh shit. Rise and shine.
Yo, I can't believe this shit, bro. They said that was a shot. The whole shit was, oh man. And the baby, you Kardashian baby, you're supposed to be born knowing how to take direction.
Yeah.
Like, yo, lay down, nigga. And then when the light goes on, you still sit up. Stormy. The fuck?
I mean, she's a baby.
She's a baby.
Babies are popping right now. You got the baby,
baby, little baby, bad baby,
shit, bad baby, bunny baby,
bad bunny.
Nah, baby.
Bad bunny, bad baby.
Wait, it's Bad Bunny, not Bad Baby.
The Bad Baby.
Bad Bunny. Is he a bunny for real?
No.
Okay.
He's just Puerto Rican.
Okay. That's close enough.
Is it Bad Barbie or Bad Baby? The problematic white girl. Is it Baby?
Sherry had us turn down the invite to the Pornhub Awards, and guess who popped up? Bad Bunny.
Bad Bunny? Wow.
He went to the Pornhub Awards?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, shit. You know what baby we're forgetting?
Hold on.
Oh, shit!
Hold on. Somebody suck that baby's dick.
This gotta be the number one song of the summer.
Yo, son.
Baby dick. Baby dick, baby dick.
Yo, listen.
Sucking on that baby dick.
Yo, if y'all don't know, engineer for the show, illustrious DJ Hasan Insane, got the Fire remix out right now. No Guidance Fire remix out right now. Go cop that, go get that. Next remix coming out. Suck that baby's dick.
Y'all gonna feel some way in the club. Like everybody got their hands in like baby dick.
Suck that baby dick.
Suck it on that baby dick. Suck it on that baby dick. Hey. Everybody, it's problematic, but it slaps. Let me tell you what song they're not making a Kids Bop version of. Okay? Sucking on my homework's dick.
Yeah, hey.
Is Suck That Baby's Dick a remix of Baby Shark?
Suck
sucking on the
baby dick. Suck that baby dick.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah.
I think that song would also get worse as it progresses.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Suck grandpa's dick. No.
Oh man. Oh, you scumbags. Oh, you scumbags. Listen, man.
Oh, shit. It's a fun pull up like.
I think we need to move Lonzo. No problem.
Listen, you can't be out here yelling for baby dicks in clubs.
What is going on with you? I want to
imagine he's your publicist, you're his publicist. Imagine you wake up and this is the video you gotta get in front of. All right, Sherry, you got things good right now.
Yeah.
Listen,
we're not talking about sucking baby dicks.
Listen, let the Yankees win tonight. All bets is off.
You be pointing at Glaber like, suck that baby's dick.
Yeah. I'm here from Showtime. Everybody's sucking baby dick. Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
My name is Jesus Nevins. Yeah, man. Yeah. I was like, Let me be wild at a party. And Nevin shows up like my mother, like, they're like, ooh.
Are you mad?
Desus. Ooh, Desus, your boss is
Take you out of
here.
there by your ear and shit.
God, David, chill. Come on, you embarrassing
Yo,
me.
you OD. You
He's
OD.
like, what you doing? What you doing? Y'all here yelling about baby dicks?
Huh?
Get back in the studio. I'm like, hate you, Dad.
Fuck.
Fuck.
Always making me do.
What you gonna do to civilians? Hate this shit. Leave it. I'm gonna live with HBO. I don't like this shit.
Run away.
Run away. I'm gonna be on Stars. Is Stars premium cable?
To this day.
Yes. Okay. All right. Just making sure. Only show I watch is Desus Mero. Then we'll show on late night. You know it's 11 p.m. Mondays and Thursdays. You know what it is.
You know the vibes.
No baby dicks on it.
You know what I'm saying?
So you check that.
Suck that baby's dick. But why is it transitioning more like? I feel like the Venn diagram of the Jesus Christ and the suck the baby's dick guy.
Very similar.
Yo,
very similar.
The energy is there.
Listen,
you know what I'm saying? It's like Jesus Christ, suck the baby's dick. You know what I'm saying? Please don't take that out of context.
Oh, that's good. That's the video clip we need. That's the video clip we need. It's the end of the Bodega Boys, episode 175. Because these niggas.
Yeah, the arbiter is a PC culture.
Yes, that's right.
Jesus Christ, suck the baby's dick.
They was like, you guys are so PC. I was like, pussy cash? I was like, what
does that mean? Like, what? Penis cocker?
My favorite
like,
thing is everyone's like, we're PC, and you put on the podcast, and within 30 seconds, like, nope.
It's like, oh, you thought.
Nope. I mean, you know what it is?
We're just not dickheads. We're trying to fumble the bag like y'all old heads.
I mean, we're eventually going to fumble the bag. We're going to say something and then friend something. Are we good with China, though? That's important. We good with China? We say anything wild? Hong Kong, stop protesting. All right, no, that's all right.
Victor's like, yo, you know what? I'm just gonna wait for the information to come out.
I was gonna make the wild iPhone joke, but let me just sit back. I'm gonna sit this one out.
I can't wait for they're gonna be burning our pictures in Tiananmen Square and shit. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, what do we do? They'll be like, no gang. I'm like, oh fuck.
Oh no!
We wanted to get that text from CB like, we have a phone call. This is important. I was like, here we go.
Oh god,
this is bad, guys. This is bad.
Let me ask you something. Girl, you ever been to China?
I haven't.
You like China?
I would like to go one day.
You want to go to China?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know the air is just carbon monoxide out there. That's what they breathe. They breathe carbon monoxide. You want to go there? That's what you like? Huh? Shut your fucking mouth, okay? Don't talk about political shit. Just get the bag and keep it moving, all right?
Yo, that's the worst CB I've ever heard. And she's gonna hear that. She's like, what the fuck was that?
she's like, first you make fun of my parallel park and now this, motherfucker. How dare you?
They're like, Desus, Mero. Marcy's on. We're banned from China.
Marcy's like, hey y'all, just wanted to tell you banned from China.
I'm like, thank you, Marcy.
She goes,
Chris, they really did it this time. Okay? We can't go to Guangzhou. We can't go to Xiping. Okay? Emperor Mao
Yo, Victor's
is
doing
spinning.
impressions now. Yo.
No. Marcy's very buttoned up, but you know you messed up because she's from Tennessee.
Oh my
And
god.
when you mess up, the accent comes out.
That was
and it's
the
just
most-
like, fuck.
That was Marcy. My god.
Because Marcy, you know who does that impression all the time? CB.
Wow.
Okay, she taught me.
Oh wow. Victor 6'9" over here snitching on everybody. Boogie with the sticky now.
Right there, Marcy.
Get the chance.
Wow. This in Victor's only serving 6 months. For real. He's just trying
CB gets the deal, but Marcy papers it. Okay.
Oh shit. Shout out to Marcy the God.
Gang.
All right.
Yo,
Also
and Victoria
Represent the Reed
Cook.
And Victoria Cook.
You know what I'm saying? Victoria
She's
Cook,
out
you know
here
what I'm
fighting for
saying?
everybody's rights.
Shout out to our rest in peace Victoria Diaz.
Ankle.
Get better soon.
You know what I'm saying? We miss you, you know what I'm saying?
We miss you.
Get the fentanyl lollipops.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
The lady on intervention had that, and she's going through 6 fentanyl lollipops a day, and it was like, no, you're not supposed to be doing that. And it changed her mental state to the point where anytime she was scared to walk past flowers because she said they were electric and they would electrocute her. That's a good episode. That was definitely one of those episodes where I watched it and I was like, oh, I'm not doing drugs like that. I'm good. I was like, oh, you sucking dick for meth? All right, let me shoot up with this used needle.
It's not that bad.
Do you remember how bad New York was? Like at one point in New York, all the ads were about how to clean your needle.
Yes.
They were like, how to clean your works.
Subway ads.
They were like, yo, get a little bleach and a little water and put it through and clean your needle. I was like 7. I was like,
oh my God.
Do we all have to do drugs?
This makes me think about WeWorks in a totally different way.
Yeah.
Totally different.
It's just mad motherfucker shooting up.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro, pass the WeWork.
Yeah,
pass the WeWork. Bro, I pay $20 a month to get high and come here.
Bro, just throw on the Bob Dylan, bro. Let's tie off.
Go. Come on, bro. Wow. See the new girl here? Yeah. She's got the big, thick veins.
Yeah, bro.
We're gonna get high with her.
Yeah. She got some good veins, bro.
That shit's crazy. Yeah. It's wild. Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna put some tilapia in the microwave. Yeah. Heat that shit up, bro.
Hey, oh, shit.
What happened?
I fucking forgot.
Oh, shit.
Somebody suck that baby's dick.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Somebody suck. Yo.
You laugh now.
I have so
you
many
laugh now, but be out with
questions.
your kids and let someone yell that.
I'll be like, yo. Which one of y'all getting your dick sucked?
It's been episode 175, the most illustrious podcast in the world.
I have notes.
Yo, it's your boy Jesus Dice, aka Young Chipotle. Pocket stay fat like Tyrio. Aka Pocket stay fat like, here we go.
I turned to her shit like, let that boy get his dick sucked.
All right. Yo, slow me down, my yo, the bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Danos with the Rondo, Mil knows at the 94. We keep going off. Another problematic light for that. The Juve Boss, MC Luka Gunga P, for 40 with your shorty, aka No Talk to Your Uber Pool.
I don't know you.
I'm just trying to get to my mother.
Oh my God, this is who I work with. The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss on. These are Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Dukas Mufasa, Young Chakulu out the coonery, aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Get okay. We play tonight, we win tonight.
That's right,
it.
Papi.
That's it.
Let's go.
And if we don't win, you know what? We go uptown and put a little coke on my dick.
That's
and,
it.
You know,
that's it.
You know, what happened, you know?
You know what I'm saying?
You know,
And you know what? At that head when she said she gonna put it on Instagram?
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
you know, you go to La Smith at 5. You know, the Lado, La Smith. I got a lot of jaw. I eat pussy so long, my jaw swallow.
That's right. Me too.
Yeah.
They put me on injury reserve.
Yeah. If you got lockjaw, can you still pitch? Yeah, probably.
Yeah,
man.
probably. Yeah. Why not?
Let's ask Cece, our good friend. 3 Phone Jones, DJ Magna, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Compton, Dr. Bonner's label, dilute. Shout out to Dr. Bonner's label, which is what you used to read before people had cell phones in the bathroom. So you just read it and you read all types of shit. You'd be like, wow, you can use this douche?
Wow.
That's crazy.
I didn't even know.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot. Can't even see where I'm looking at. I'm like, yo, is that her hair or is that the punani? I don't even know. DJ Woolite, aka listening to Wash FM. Wash. All right. So lately, people talking about Jay-Z. There's a new Jay-Z. You know what I'm saying? Now I want y'all to remember there's only one Jay-Z we acknowledge. Angelus.
I'm hearing niggas saying they made hoes.
Angelus sound like this, sound like that.
You remember Angelus?
Oh, you on my dick or something, man.
Come on, man.
Fuck it. Yo, let's do this.
Come on, Angelus, spit that.
Yeah. Alone, but they driving me to blow now.
What? Yo, this sounds like an unmastered Jay-Z
Jay-Z right there.
Yeah, that's me.
Yo, Bay, he sounds like me, but he's dark skinned. That's crazy.
It's crazy.
That's wild.
It's wild, yo.
Pass my wallet. I'm gonna buy another Basquiat.
That's right.
It's crazy. We gonna do that vegan thing again? That's what made me cheat in the first place. Jay-Z's gonna beat the shit out of us.
With the old man strength for sure.
The Curry Gold, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, my heart will go on. Ray Nephew's nephew, the Marino, you cannot contain. Do you remember word to cha? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henry Buckles, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio can't see me, Vladimir. Boofy. Do you remember where the melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Deckerton? Well, today was a Stella. Today, Mr. Stella for the hella. There you go.
Hella Stellas.
Hella Stellas. Hella Stellas, Della. Recipes, Della Reese.
Oh shit! Word. Touched by an angel.
Touched by an angel. Touched by an angel.
You know what I'm saying?
Touched by an angel.
Said touched by an angel.
Touched by an angel. That could.
Touched by an angel would have been a more popular show if instead of Touched by an Angel, the title was "Suck That Baby's Dick."
Okay. Wow. 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 Ricky Squabby, Greg Pop. If it's more sage to chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi be not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. The juice of press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peck on the Fashion Nova, Casanova, the film. William 8 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Forget the small change. Give me big money wine. Only after my salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Sacker has me at square one, top left. Man's is what?
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Marv.
They
Marved. True Rizzuto. Holy cow. I'm at the money store. Could you please keep it down? Ew. Mr. Stop Punk, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. Woo. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D.
Oh, yeah.
It's David Yurman, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to everyone with that really expensive jewelry that no one really understands. You gotta explain it.
You know what I'm saying?
And everyone looks at it, you're like, oh, you're going through a divorce.
Oh, yeah, it's Rickle and Driftwood.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
This is expensive. These are red bottles. These are bloody shoes. Smokeem Noah.
Oh, yeah.
Andrew Cunanan.
Yeah.
Who wants to die while listening to Depeche Mode?
Yeah. You want to die with a butt plug in your butt?
Yeah. A.K.A. the Junior Energy God Junior, come sit down by me, chat.
Yo, sit putty.
It's not wireless charger, it's wireless harder. Yeah. All right. All right. I put my cock in your pom pom. Not want to hear accessory not accepted. This is not a valid iPhone accessory.
Yo, maybe unsupported.
That's our new track.
We may be unsupported.
Maybe unsupported, but
maybe unsupported.
But my man pushed me in. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. Damn. Okay. Topic of gossip and site acid. Shout out to the 11791. Shout out to all my rich people out there taking the LIRR with a peak ticket.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Everybody in the quiet car, but you not quiet.
Not at all.
And you wish someone would say something to you.
Yeah, you gossiping about Linda across the street. Like.
That's right, that fucking bitch. I don't know what she did, but she's a fucking bitch. Hey, Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket.
No.
Yo, it's your man Dead IDs this morning, Sheriff. Be ashamed if I stole some of this prep. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. They're like, Sheriff, you shoplifting in the Planned Parenthood? I was like, maybe I am.
Maybe
I am.
Maybe you mind your business.
Maybe you don't look while I put this placenta under my shirt.
Huh?
That's good eating. Put a little of that in a stew. Ooh, baby.
A little placenta tripe soup. Tripe stew. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, baby. Did you guys make a chili with the placenta? You have 4 chances to make placenta chili, and you never did.
I never did.
Wow.
It's my life's regret.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? But yo, not niggas got money. I can just buy placenta. I can go on eBay right now. Buy
That's
placenta.
true.
I can go on Pinterest.
Should we have a placenta potluck?
I'm gonna go on Poshmark right now and get a high end placenta.
Go on backplacenta.com and you can order
no placenta. Yeah, no clock watching. Yeah,
placenta's right to your door, nigga.
Nice.
You tired of waiting 48 hours for placenta? Nah, nigga, 15 minutes or less.
Boom, okay? Placenta right there.
Okay, and the placenta comes through like, yo, if it's not me, it's free.
You know what I'm saying? Ad.
Everyone else like, we have ads for Postmates. So like, we got placenta.com ads.
Yeah.
Okay,
so what's up?
All right. Here's the shop that Street Easy like a bad breach, like I'm easy. Please believe me. Shout out to everyone that uses Street Easy to figure out what neighborhood you're in.
Yeah.
And also you open it and you look around like, God damn, they pay that much right here?
What?
All right. Clearly I'm talking about what's the that part of Brooklyn where they have all the brunches? And it's like mad bougie.
Park Slope?
Park Slope, yeah. Shout out to Park
Slope. Boom, got it the first try.
All right. When me and my asexual black wife live there with our adopted Asian baby.
Yes.
And we go to protest every day for stuff you guys never heard of.
Yes.
You're going to enjoy it.
Do not forget to bring your pansexual dog.
Stop using ivory to make pianos. And they'll be like, what?
What?
Okay, listen, I'll be like, yo, she put it on the chalkboard. All right, the black Asian addict will crack it back like automatic craftmatic missile marina, mesh marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a code demeanor. The sheet mask killer. No one could be iller.
That's
the
right.
Black Zach Morris, so you Pat Morris, young KPI, you know what I'm saying? All my ad people, you know what it is. AK aka a problematic bae. Listen, if you have kids and you don't call them, that probably saves on your telephone bill.
You know what I'm saying?
Up next, coming out the bullpen, we got the guy that has failed to pull out at least 4 times.
You know what I'm saying? That's how I do things.
All right.
You know what I mean?
We got the guy, the only Dominican without a unibrow.
It's your boy, you know what I'm saying? Because I plug my shit. The Mero, a.k.a. the human direct flap, a.k.a. Donovan McJav, a.k.a. Curve Gotti. Stay out of my DMs, you heathens. A.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? AKA
I love how you're like, stay out of my DMs. You sound like that guy that's like, I can't fly in a tube full of demons. Like, like what are you, like Jim Baker? You're, just like, you're at home praying like, please keep these hotties out my DMs.
No.
Oh, Lord.
Please.
Stop sending me the nude pictures with your booty apart.
Deliver me from the choppies. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, love it.
You know what I'm saying? AK skirt load to jump the curb. You know what I'm saying? Hit your fucking chihuahua, keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. Actually, I do. I feel very sorry. I'm sorry, TT Yvette. You know what I'm saying? I did not mean to kill your 28-year-old chihuahua that is walking on a wheelchair. I'm so sorry. But he lived a long life. You know what I'm saying? Pancho lived a long life. So shout out to him. You know what I'm saying? I'm a fucking baby, a fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? AK, you don't need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, you bastards. I played Fat Joe in Empire. The movie, not the show. You know what I'm saying? Respect my IMDb credits, you cowards. You know what I'm saying? It's AKA CC Dab after you catch me in my motherfucking basement.
Dab.
At 2 a.m, doing dabs of highly concentrated THC. Concentrate. You know what I'm saying? I can't say concentrated once because it's double concentrated. AKA James A. Fat Take out ghost on you, shorty.
Ghost
you know what I'm
on
saying?
him.
You know what I mean? Ghost.
Oh, boss man, it's a ghost.
James St. Duppy, you know what I'm saying? AKA Tiger Backwoods, and they got smoke you with this 9 iron. AKA get into the shmoney and the smoke is your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I mean? AKA the Bodega Princess new single, I'm That Baby, You Little Bitch. Produced by Metro Boomin, featuring Cardi B, dropping now. You know why? Because I'm the motherfucker dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? She's charted #1 right now. AKA Bitch Smack Biombo. AKA Diego Maradona. AKA Dick in your big
Bring that man up here.
Yeah. Talk to him.
Somebody suck that baby's dick.
That's right. That's right. You know what I'm saying? Do his single featuring Cuba, not the country. Dick in your baby told me you don't come with this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me. Actually, I take that back. It does not. It belongs to and I respect our agency. Therefore, I require consent to enter. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? AKA David Trisdale, nigga. Pow. Take that for data. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car.
Sir, you're asleep at the red light. You're asleep at the red light.
Oh, what?
You're asleep at, let me see some ID.
Let me
see some ID.
Nah, I'm just gonna walk.
Sir, get back over here.
No, I'm just gonna walk. I'm gonna go. Bye.
Sir,
It's okay. It's fine. Oh, whoa. Bro, it's a Chevy Malibu. Chill out. You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Dada Dykeman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my card again. It's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your management when they come up here and ask me for selfies and ask me how Heather and the kids are doing.
Oh, wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow. Then it changes, right? Then it changes.
Yeah.
Then you talk to them a different way, right?
Yeah, that's right, Edward. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? You like a little Shake Shack job, motherfucker? Then give me one of them hot dogs that look funny. Hurry the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? If I call your manager. You know what I'm saying? Keep it moving, stupid. AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny. Wow, let me black out. Yo, I'm gonna kiss your titty's butthole and try to stop me. I don't care. I invented Chelsea boots. There would not be Chelsea boots if it wasn't for me. You know what I'm saying? So put some respect on my fucking name.
Were Chelsea boots invented in Chelsea?
Yo.
That's a good question.
That's wild.
Where were Chelsea
Clinton invented them.
Oh, okay.
That's what happened.
Makes sense.
Yeah. AKA Light No Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you're broken, sing of a rise and shine. Rise and shine. AKA Tom Brazy. Your girl got almost deflated, you know what I'm saying? Like Bobby Crab, we the table shopper boy. Sushi.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? AKA feel the ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos by consensually. With full consent, you know what I'm saying?
Full consent?
You know what I'm saying? That would be the full consent boys, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
AKA Lil Snoozy, very first thing to tap out on live, you know what I'm saying? Been doing it before your favorite SoundCloud rapper.
Ben.
You know what I'm saying?
He invented it.
It's
died, came back, and died the next day.
Trendsetters, the originators. You know what I'm saying? Ba-dum-ba-dum-bum-bum. You know what I'm saying? AKA Final Messi MVP of La Mota. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zeniel Benningfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you.
What?
To smoke with me.
Say what?
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? After you the choppy roll, you know what I mean? Get the hooks lit. You know what I mean?
The vibes.
AKA Ben Barson. My hands are gifted. I have recalibrated Greenland. I have audio equipment facing the glaciers, playing Gucci Mane So Icy to preserve the current sea levels. You're welcome. I'm saving the future. Yeah, so icy. Yeah. Oh, I know you like it.
A lot of people don't realize that's a gospel song.
Yeah, it is.
That was the Clark sisters.
That's right.
Sang that. I'm so icy
in the name of the Lord.
People forget a lot of the scripture was just Jesus like flexing on niggas.
He's flexing and trapping. Yeah,
it was like.
Yeah,
he was like, "Yo, look at my ice, nigga."
Yeah, yo, there's like mad chapters in there that niggas leave out, like Trap Viticus, you know what I'm saying? Like all that shit.
All that shit.
You know what I mean? AKA I'll open your medicine cabinet, you know what I'm saying? Cause you know who the fuck it is. It's the Zen Man. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way. My shit is not stamped, sir. AKA Nino Brown, shut the cut it down. AKA live from the parking lot of your local supermarket. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DT is fucking.
Nice.
And Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? I'll be touring this month with Michael Anthony. You know what I'm saying? Mate, every week I have to say this, you know, because the bears repeating, mate. There's only 2 rock stars left in the world, mate. The Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, smoking blunts and watching the Knicks cover the spread. You know what I'm saying? AKA I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I mean? AKA chilling at the crib off edibles, waiting for KD and Kyrie in a Google Hangout. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Bang! He might have to go to China. If you see me at Target, listen, dog. If you see me at Target higher than a giraffe on Mars, scratching his balls, approach me like a motherfucker Earthside mammal, dog, I may react erratically.
He may react, and y'all won't like that.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? One swipe of his paw might take your head clean off. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kid, it depends on the clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's over, and I will take no responsibility for any of the actions performed by my assistant, Mr. Fun Fun. I'm gonna need the money up front before Mr. Fun Fun gets in the building.
I just want to make some comments about Cuba Gooding Jr. stealing my line. And you know, I have it trademarked and I'm meaning told to stop.
Yeah, that's right. That's his line. That's IP. That's intellectual property. All right.
Actually, his IP stands for infant pornography.
Oh, goddamn! AKA, yo, goddamn! AKA, so fake leads to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. That nigga is high on 409 and Tropical Fantasy. The favorite soda of Mr. C, the finisher. Turn your SAP buttons on right fucking now because
it's go time.
Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que llegó el Titi FIFA. Si tú eres de rabia, dale, que tú andas buscando que yo te dispare con el AK. Con el AK. Te disparo. Con lo suave. ¿No sé? Porque yo soy de la calle. Yo no vengo con guares. La pista lo dura y lo nuevo. Pedales. ¡Ja! 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 Shout out Showtime. Shout out Cash App. You know what I'm saying? Shout out por primera. Shout out DJ Hasan, ese coño que pone la nota. Shout out Cash App. Shout out Showtime. Ya le di shout out a toda esa gente. Shout out a la nena bodega Dai y Vicky que está inválida, la pobre infeliz. Shout out a mi presidente Pío, la secretaria de defensa, activo con el cañón. Shout out Justin, el camarógrafo número 1 del mundo. Y shout out Víctor, que tiene más cerebro que cabello. Pronta libertad, mi hermano Freaky, me quité ya.
Yeah, you know, there's Bodega Boys in the building, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yo. You know what I'm saying? Number one show on late night. Desus and Mero on Showtime. Number one podcast in the world.
Yeah.
Bodega Boys. Number one visual podcast on YouTube channel. Bodega Boys digital channel. You know what it is? Subscribe. And we got I think what else we got coming? We got an album coming soon. You know what I'm saying?
That's right, album.
Look for that.
Book.
The book is coming soon. The album's going to be even better.
Oh, shit.
You know what I'm saying? We come with nothing but hits.
Hit after hit after hit.
Bring that man up here.
Yeah.
Somebody suck that baby's dick.
Suck that baby's dick.
Somebody suck